mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to spice up our lateral or our side basic to look a little bit more fancier on the dance floor. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, let me show you a quick demo of how Lateral Cruzado or the side cross step looks like with music. Here we go. 6, 7, and. Alright, straight into it. Let's start off with lateral first, and then we'll start doing the cruzado variation. So, let's do this in a leader's perspective, nice and slow, starting with the left leg. We go lateral. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, rather than now doing a regular lateral, watch what I do here. I go 1, 2, then cross on 3. Making sure my weight is on that left leg. Then switch it from 5, switch 6, cross together, 7. Again, so we go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, y ahí nada más. Alright guys, so when doing lateral cruzado, you want to make sure you're relaxing your knees at all times. So watch what I'm doing here. I go 1, 2, 3, see how I'm relaxed? 5, 6, 7. The last thing I want to do is looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and see how my weight is going forward like so at an angle? That's the wrong thing to do. So you want to make sure you relax your knees, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, y ahí nada más. Okay? So let's try this out with music in halftime and then full speed. Alright, con música. Here we go. Alright, lateral first. Nice and slow, go. 5, 6. Lateral first. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Y 1, 2, 3. Cruzado. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, double time. Here we go. 5, 6, lateral, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 2 more, una más, 1, cruzado, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2 more, y 1, 1, y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, tap the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice playlist right here for you so you can check out all the cool moves that we learned and then add this new fancy variation into your back pocket. Also, do me a favor, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite moment in this video and then what are you looking forward to for our next future lessons. Until then, my name is Seabird. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.